Alright, so I'm going to be reassembling this Rubbermaid shed. You can see it all laid out behind me, and there's a platform where I got a couple pieces on. It's going to be quite the project. It's a little windy today. Took it down in high winds. Not going to put it up in high winds. That's just too dangerous. But anyways, let me turn it around and show you the rest of it. Alright, these are the back walls. When I took it apart, I laid it out in order. There's the front roof or front door. It's the base, side doors, and part for the roof. I'm cleaning it. It'll probably be the last time it's cleaned thoroughly. There's the front side, rest of the floor, and the other side. And one panel made it over there somehow. So wind blew that. Anyways, I put that back and I will put it together. Alright, so I'm getting the base laid down. It's all washed. So I'm just going and snapping them together, and then once I get it lined up where I want it, I'm going to actually attach it to the floor. They have these little holes here, which the previous owner did not use. I'm going to put it there as I'm a big fan of securing things down, especially the wind we have around here. Alright, so I've got that all screwed in. Fender washers is going anywhere. Neighbor dog barking and everything. And these panels here are set up to be washed. And then that will be decided first, because it's going to go in this corner. And then up to this corner and this front panel here. Across the front panel there, and then the roof. And we work our way to our left. Alright, so this is the progress I've made. Lost all my light for tonight, so we're going to call it quits till tomorrow or the next day. And we got 1/3 of the shed up. So this is looking good. It's going back together good. No problems thus far. So this is going to be day 3 of putting together my lifetime shed, which I took apart. I've got the front doors to do, and then this little gable on the roof to deal with. Had to take all that apart in order to get that up. This side here. Got the doors on this side, and it's working. So hopefully it'll be finished today. And reassembling this roof is like peeling an onion backwards. You just kind of go layer by layer. It goes right over top of each other. At the center channel here, that's the little gable part. Had these 2 triangles to put in, and the little peak at the top. And that should be finished, and then the pieces across the top. So we're almost there, and then I can install shelves and things. All right, here are the last remaining pieces of the gable, the 2 corner pieces, and then the peak. So I will get those put on. And these are the top of the roof. That goes on last. They kind of all overlap, so to keep it watertight, and they have little skylights in them. All right, and that's what it looks like without the peak installed. So that's next. All right, the shed is done. Let's go take a look inside. The side shelves in place, all the roofs in. These side shelves and actually do provide structural support. All the roofing is in, shelf in the back, dual solid side shelf, and I got little pegboards over here. These are pretty cool. Windows are frosted over because they're old. I have no idea how old this shed is, but previous owners, they had it for how long they had it. Doors work. So we're gonna call her good to go.